Hello guys, my name is Alex and you are watching my BMW channel EliteBimmers. First of all, I would like to apologize to my subscribers for a very long absence. And the first video will be about our E70 X5M, and I'm going to show you what I bought for our car. Let's see unboxing and then I will explain what's going on. These are the brake rotors, these are the rear ones and front ones, and also I decided to do oil change and of course brake pads and brake sensors. And as you could see from the name of the video, these are not E70 brake rotors. They are designed for F85 series, for current BMW X5M or X6M. They fit, they just need to be mounted in a special way. You will see from my video. They're the same size and everything, they just look much better in my personal opinion. So let's go for the installation part. And this is the current look of stock E70 rotors. And this is the rear wheel. And installation is pretty easy. These ones I think even more easier than regular ones, because you have R for right side and on the other one left for left side, so it's very hard to screw it up. I'm gonna wash rims as well because they are pretty dirty. And the main difference between E70 and F85 front brake rotors is the mounting or setting screws. E70 has only one screw and F85 has two. And plus the one from E70 is not gonna work on this one, on the new one, because you need a smaller one. It's not gonna be a problem. My car is not gonna be the first one who has F85 rotors, and I haven't read any complaints about that. You can mount this one with just one screw. going to install new brake pads. These are the new brake pads that I bought. They are hella. Look at the size of these ones. They are huge. And the easiest way, I think, is going to be to have a caliper back on a suspension or back on a hub. And what you have to do is to remove this pin right here and this one over here, and then it's the whole section with brake pads will just come out. You will see it in just a second. This is how the front brake pads are changed on X5M. I think this is very easy. It's very different from all BMWs that I have, and yeah, I think it's super easy. You just have to remove these two pins and you should be done. Next I have to just tighten up the caliper bolts, and the right side is totally done. And also I wanted to take a chance and do the inspection of the front suspension. These links need to be replaced. Let me just fix my light and I'll show you. Like you can see, the rubber sealants, they are broken, need to be replaced, and also the lower ones, you can see they need to be replaced as well. So it's probably gonna be my next project. Other than that, I don't see any issues. No problems with this one. Shock is not leaking, and yep, other than that it looks fine. And I just installed the rear brake pads and brake rotors. I'm gonna save you installation time because this is pretty basic. Rear brake pads are done like on any other BMW. No special tools, nothing like extraordinary required. But unfortunately for the rear brake rotors, we had to take a shortcut. That everybody who installs F85 brakes on E70, they have to take this shortcut. Unfortunately, you have to drill a new hole or install rotors without the mounting screw. I've seen people doing it both ways. I don't want to drill a hole in this rotor because I don't feel comfortable about that, but I own BMWs. I think it was like 7 Series from like 80s era. They didn't have any mounting screws over there, so it didn't have any problems, and I'm sure this is not going to be a problem on E70 as well. And also on the forums that I read how people installing these rotors on their E70s, some people also did not install screws and nobody had any issues. Probably I'm going to have some hate from people who like everything to be perfect, but well, unfortunately this is how it's going to be done in my case. Last but not least, I would like to show you how to reset service for brake pads, and also this is going to work for oil reset and also state inspection. So what you have to do is insert the key, but do not start the vehicle, so do not press the brake pedal, just press the start button once. And I'm going to show you my current brake pads situation right now. This is the rear ones and this is the front ones. What you have to do on the instrument cluster, press trip reset odometer button right here and hold it for a few seconds. Now you're gonna enter the reset mode, then select the one you want to reset and hold it until you will see the reset. Then hold it again and you should be good right now for your rear brakes. Same thing, go to the oil. If you need to do oil, then go to the front brakes, hold it, there's gonna be reset, push it again, and you should be good to go back to 31,000 miles. So I think it's very easy.